bicycle, yep. Yeah.
Whose bicycle is that?
Hugo's.
It's Hugo's bicycle. Ding! What is that? Is that the bell? Is that fun? Let's do an interview. What did you get for your birthday, Hugo? Hugo, what did you get for your birthday?
Hugo, what is it?
What is it, Boo-Boo?
A bicycle.
It's a bicycle? Are you gonna ride it?
We'll see how it goes.